what's up, guys? This is your soberologist, Tresey with Treseysworld. Yeah, I know it's been a minute since I made a soberistic drink, but I didn't forget, okay? So we here. Y'all see this? We here. We are making a soberistic drink today. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Y'all gonna love it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications if you haven't done so. I'm gonna drop this intro real quick and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so welcome back. Listen, I was minding my business. I was walking through Big Lot and I saw this, y'all. I saw this and I had to get it because it just looks so interesting. It's a complete kit, drink kit, and it is the Mermaid cocktail set. So I don't know if you guys have seen the fish bowl with all the cute stuff in it, you know. It's like a really cool drink to make. It actually has the fish bowl, which is, I think it's glass. It's glass, y'all. It is real glass. It has the blue Hawaiian cocktail mixer, some straws, some candy, some little fish gummies to swim around. I always wanted to do that. Y'all remember the TLC video? And they was just like, they ain't do it like that, but you know what I'm saying. But anyways, we about to make this drink. I got my alternative, my alcohol alternative. You just go ahead and read it. It says shake, mixer well, contains no alcohol, y'all. Soberistic. This by itself is soberistic. Doesn't have any alcohol in it, no liquor in here, okay? But we gonna, you know, fix it up. We're gonna fix it up. You're not gonna even know the difference, okay? It says drink responsibly, which is we are gonna do because we're not using alcohol. And refrigerate after opening, which is very important because sometimes I forget to put stuff in the refrigerator that's supposed to go in the refrigerator, okay? And I said refrigerator, not refrigerator, okay? All right, so on the side of the box, there are directions, okay? So of course it tells you to rinse out the bowl because you gotta keep it clean. Pour your cocktail mixer into the bowl. You can do everything in the bowl. Recommendation is to use coconut rum. Soberistic, we're soberistic, so we're not using the real thing, okay? We're gonna use a substitute. All right, so we have our Ritual Zero Proof Rum Alternative. Y'all see this? I got this from Benny's. It actually was on sale. Normally it's about $36.99 a bottle, but we got it for $21.99. They have other flavors. They have the Ritual Zero Proof Tequila Alternative, Whiskey Alternative, Gin Alternative. Today we're using the rum. And we're gonna be making use out of this. We're gonna make a couple of drinks because these things are expensive and we gotta use it, okay? So this is what this is. And just for you guys that are questioning my dedication, let me move closer to you. And I'm just gonna read you something about the Ritual, not the Ritual, but Ritual Rum Alternative. But this does not have the alcohol, but it should have some taste to it. It's warm vanilla, toasted spice, and the velvety decadence of dark rum without the alcohol or the calories. Why? Because it's 10 calories a serving. So whether you're driving, dieting, training, making a baby, staying up late, getting up early, or just have to do, you can still enjoy a great cocktail. That I didn't write that. It's actually on the back of the bottle. So that's what we're using today. It's not coconut rum, but it's a rum alternative. All right, so that's what you're supposed to use with this. So we're gonna get this all washed out. We can come back. We're about to make it happen. Let's go. Welcome back, my tree hearts. Now, everything is washed and ready to go. I kept this little box because on the side there are directions. And I forgot to tell you, this cost me $8.99, just in case you were wondering. I went to Big Lots. It was there, $8.99. Most Big Lots had that Margaritaville section. That's where I found this, okay? But it is not by Margaritaville, I don't think. But it was in that section, okay? So, all right, just to let you know, this glass bowl is not suitable for any hot liquid. So if you decide to use it for something else in the future, do not put anything hot in there, okay? Do not microwave it. It's not for the microwave, okay? And it's not suitable for your dishwasher, so wash it out by hand, which is what I just did. All right, so It says to pour the cocktail mixture into the bowl. And y'all, they talking about all of this going up in this bowl. Okay, we're gonna move the straws, which I have washed. So I'm gonna put them on a napkin, on a paper towel, and put them to the side. All right, we're just gonna set it up here, y'all. Excuse that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it up. We're not pouring up the drink, we're pouring up the mixer. Sorry. Okay. All right. Nice and blue. Can y'all see that? We got a blue bowl of goodness. Pour the rum into the bowl. How much rum we talking about, y'all? Let me see if it says. It just say pour the rum in the bowl. Oh, 1/2 cup. And so I have my, it's right here, y'all. And this is not rum. This is Ritual alcohol proof. All right, so we're gonna open it up. I love these bottles because although it looks like a little cork, you can actually just twist it open. Y'all ready for the pop? Let's listen. Y'all ready? Oh, did y'all hear this? It was really light. All right, so we're gonna pour. Okay, we're gonna pour 1/2 cup. This is 1/2 cup. Okay, we're pouring. If y'all hear any noise, it's above me. It's not in here. All right, apartment living. That's what it is. All right, so we got 1/2 cup. All right, y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's 1/2 cup. We're gonna pour it in there, like so. Ooh, made the water a little dark. Don't look like blue water. It looks a little greenish. I mean, it looks a little. This looks like Lake Michigan water. Our fish water. We'll put that back there. All right. So we did that. Now we're gonna add some ice. Now my ice done kind of melted because I've been talking to y'all. So we're gonna. Ooh, I'm gonna go get some more ice. So we need to put some more ice in there. So I'll be right back. All right. So we have our bowl here. Y'all see it? This is how it looks. I told you it's like Lake Michigan color water. This look like lake water. Doesn't look like ocean water. It was blue at first, but now it's a little bit, you know, cloudy. That's okay. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of my blue raspberry to it. That's just what I do. You know, I always add a little flavor to it because we got to make it so baristic style according to our own taste. So I'm going to add a little bit of this to it. See if it... Now it's turquoise water. Okay, y'all. All right. So here we go. All right. So now the next step is to go ahead and we're going to take the straw. We'll use the blue one and we'll stir it just to get that mixture all mixed, get it all ready and mixed. Give it a little stir. Okay, we'll put that back and we'll put it back in there. Now we have some gummies here. We're gonna take these little gummies. It's literally like big gummy fish. And we're going to put the gummies in the bowl. The little fish is going to... Little fish. Did they go to the bottom or is it floating? Oh, there was one. So the fish really are supposed to sit on top of the ice. So I think you would want to have a little more ice than I have in here. That's what I'm thinking. Where's the fish? I don't know where the fish went. Let me see. There's more than one fish. I just want to see where it went. It's at the bottom. It's like a dead fish. But I think the fish is really supposed to sit on top of the ice. So I'm trying to, y'all. This is my first time doing this. I'm trying to get y'all. We'll see. And I think it's because our ice has kind of melted. So I have these plastic ice cubes. I want to test it out to see if we can get the fish to kind of bobble a little bit. So I'm just gonna drop this in here. This is also gonna keep it nice and cold. These things float, so that's what's so cool about them. They float. See, now I'm gonna set a fishy on top of it. Actually, let me give it a few more. Y'all, y'all know we be figuring it out as we go. So I'm gonna put this in there. Kind of messes up the aesthetics If you put in a light color, I should have put in just green. So, we're going to take out the red ones. Take out the red ones. Oh. Okay, set that right there. And we're going to put in some green ones. Changes the game just a little bit, but you know what? You work with what you have. That's what we do. Now, I'm going to try to set this fish and see if we can get it on top of these ice cubes here. It ain't working, y'all. Let me see if I lay it. No, it just goes right back to the bottom. So I thought that might work. It didn't. Okay, so I'm just putting more fish in there. And well, that one did for a second. So we really need fish that float. So I would say if you have some frozen fish ice cubes, it'll probably be, you know, fish-shaped ice cubes. Or if you do fish-shaped ice cubes, it will look cute. Or if you want to get special with it, what you do is put this inside the ice tray, fill it with water, and let this freeze inside so that when you drop the ice, it'll float. We have to try that next time. But that's what I think will work, is you freeze the ice cubes, the candy, in the ice cubes to make it float. All right, got one more. I'm gonna put that in there. All right, y'all, and I think that is it, my friend. I'm just gonna stir it all up. I just put the ice cubes in there because I wanted to see if it would work, but I'm gonna remove the ice cubes. I don't like the way it looks. If these were blue, I'm sure that would work, but they're not. So I'm gonna remove them. All right, so then we have our fish bowl drinks. It has our fish flowing. If you wanna take a look at this. We got fish in there. Y'all see the fishies? Now, if you were doing this with alcohol, you would use coconut rum, preferably. But we ain't doing it. Y'all see the fish at the bottom? Y'all see that? Fish are floating. Fish are floating at the bottom. The bottom, that is not a good thing. All right, so now it is time to, it has 2 straws, so it's cool. You have someone with you. Trying to see, where did the fishies go? There's one. Oh. It smells so good, y'all. This smells so good. It smells so good. But the fish are at the bottom of the bowl. That ain't the way it's supposed to go, y'all. It's not the way it's supposed to go. Like I said, I think it's best to freeze the fish inside the ice, so when you drop the ice cube, you have the fish floating. That would make more sense. That's not what the direction says. That's what I'm saying. So next time we do this, that's what we're going to do. But anywho, I mean, you know, if you see a fish in a fish bowl and it's just at the bottom, it's time to say goodbye, okay? So let's go ahead and taste this. I put it back in this little container so it can give us a feeling of, you know, ocean life. If you let it sit for a little bit, the color is starting to change a little bit, which is great. But it is time to taste and see. Taste and see. Which straw do I want to use? I'm going to use the blue one. This is good. Tastes like I'm drinking on a little something, something. I'm gonna tell y'all now. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, because it's gonna taste like you sipping on a little something, okay? But this is very delicious. It does have an alcoholic taste. I must say, it is not alcohol, non-alcoholic, but it is good. Okay, so we got our thumbnail out of the way. This is really good. Despite the fish at the bottom of the ocean, of the lake, because this is a lake, you see how? So, I understand why they say coconut rum. Let me tell y'all what I did. I used the Ritual Rum Alternative, which is great, by the way. I'm reviewing this right now. This is great. It definitely gives you that real flavor. You taste like the vanilla and all those, that warm vanilla taste. You can taste it in here. It's really good. But the reason why they tell you to use a lighter colored drink is so that your water will be, or your ocean, or your ocean will not look like a lake. You know what I'm saying? So this looks like a lake because I use dark color, a darker color liquor alternative. So what I could have done was not use any alternative and use like a white, like a ginger ale or some type of clear drink, clear soda, or something like that. But I wanted to try the Ritual because, and since it suggests rum, that's what I wanted to use the alternative for rum. So this was an epic fail as far as the coloring goes because as you can see, this is dark. It's a dark color. This is supposed to be the ocean. Now it looks like a lake. That's my fault though. But did it mess up the taste? Absolutely not. It tastes very good. So if you see this kit at your local store, Big Lots, go ahead and get it. Do not add dark colored drink to it. This is a rum alternative. I don't know of any other really good rum alternatives, so that, you know, it's dark, you know, so it's gonna make your water have a lake effect. It's like Lake Michigan. If y'all in Chicago, y'all know what I'm talking about. This is Lake Michigan right here. This is Lake Michigan. And these polo fishes, you can't even see them because the water is so dark, number one. And number two, they at the bottom. Y'all see it? Do y'all see them? They at the bottom. So yeah, this was an epic fail. I told y'all I'd keep it real. This was an epic fail as far as the color goes, but the taste is there. So I'm just gonna drink this and mind my business. All right, y'all. So that's it for today's video. This video, we used the Ritual Zero Proof Rum Alternative because this recipe called for rum, and we didn't use rum because we keep it soberistic. I'll see it. All right, so it is what it is, but the taste, the flavor is a yum. The flavor is a yum. So so that's it for this video, guys. Listen, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. I said it already, but I'm saying it again. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop me a comment. I'm so happy to be back doing soberistic videos. Y'all don't know it takes a lot to do these videos sometimes because there's all of this, you know, the components of making things, but it's so much fun to taste and see. Anyways, yeah, it's been great. I went on vacation last week. I'll show you guys some video, you know, of what happened. I took my nephew on his first spring break trip. He's 3 years old. Just many more to come. But we went to Minnesota. We didn't go far. We had so much fun. And I'll share that with you guys in another video. But listen, I need to tell y'all something. All right? Oh, I got new music coming out May 7th, 2022 on all digital platforms. Pandora, eMusic, Apple Music, Tidal, all of those sites. You will be able to get this project. It's only 2 songs called Songs of Healing. There are 2 songs in there. Let Go, Let God, and Show Up to the Fight, which is featuring Epic House Studios in Nigeria. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll drop this little promo right here. Alright, you guys, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing. Go out, do it, and be great today. Alright? See you later, my treat hearts. See you very soon.